Today we're going to walk you through how to submit a Helpdesk ticket through the Rhino support portal. First, start by navigating to www.rhinosupport.com. In the portal, log into your account. If you're a new user, click New User to create your account. If you've forgotten your password, reset it here. If you're an agent, use the dedicated link to log into the agent interface instead. If you are a new user, once your account is created, an administrator will review your request. You'll receive an approval email once your access is granted. Once your access is granted, you can enter the portal and submit your ticket by clicking on Tickets in the main menu, then select Add Ticket. Alternatively, you can go to the My Area tab and click Add Ticket there. Whether you're submitting a ticket for Rhino hosting, Rhino security, or threat hunting, click on the appropriate department, fill out the required information, and submit your ticket. If you're onboarding a new user, that can be done in the Rhino Helpdesk tab. Once you submit your ticket, it will immediately appear in your account. You can log in at any time to check the status of your ticket, view updates from our team, or close the ticket once your issue is resolved. Submitting your Helpdesk ticket through the Rhino support portal ensures your request reaches the right team quickly and securely. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.